There is a liminal space between hope and despair, a transition trapped between reality and perception, a zone where the map ends and the loop begins. After Earth Arcade. We trust our cameras and our screen to see the threats before they reach us. But out here, past the edge of the grid, the environment isn't always the most dangerous thing. Sometimes it's what's lurking inside it. After Earth Arcade delivery service, this is BK. How can I help? Right. Yeah. I'll be right there. Right, Dee Dee. We might be able to get that transmission for you soon. See you, bro. Can't wait to ride you. Weird curse thing. Something's wrong. It hasn't been this windy. Yeah. Someone's been through the camp. Microwave just chilling here like this? I don't see any tracks or anything. These are the only tracks that look suspicious. I'm still not sure if they're mine. They don't look like mine. Yeah. These might be the only tracks here. Oh, what's this? Is that brake fluid? Yep, we're missing the brake line.
来听听8个不同版本的 Hero。
I hope you enjoyed your stay at the After Earth Arcade. This episode was sponsored by LETWESAF, and they sent us over this camping alarm kit. This has like some very advanced technology in it. It uses a 24 gigahertz radar sensor. That's wild. I don't know why it doesn't melt me. So that's fundamentally different from most common infrared sensors. Other sensors are easily affected by light and weather, temperature. With those, you'll have a higher chance of getting false alarms. Because of the 24 gigahertz and the rest of the technology in here, it's like weatherproof. It also tracks fast things. As you saw in the video, it even triggered the alarm with the drone, which was going about 17 miles an hour at the time. Another advantage that something like this will have over a camera is typically cameras are just used to like check the footage so you can see what happened. And with something like this, you know where the threat is. So you can position these in ways that allow you to know where the threat is. I think it would even be good for door dashing. You leave it in your car. If it goes off while you're in the store, then you know someone's in your car. The advantages of radar technology are you're going to get a much stable performance in rain, fog, snow, or other complex weather conditions. Essentially, it has a stronger environmental adaptability and target recognition capabilities. Because this can trigger alerts in the early stages, it makes this perfect for securing your outdoor perimeter. If you want to get your own, you can check out the link in the description. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope that you take care of yourself and you keep striving for your personal goals. If there's anything I can help you out with, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.